Hello guys, hello to everyone. In today's video I will show you how to activate the promo code and get the maximum bonus up to $400. First of all, for this we need to download the application from the official site. I will leave the link in the description. Next step, go to the application. If you have an account, then log out of it. After that, you need to click registration in one click. In this menu you need to choose your current country is United States, current value to US dollar, and choose spot or casino. I will choose spot, and current promo code is ZANOS24. Next, confirm this, tap green light. I will also clarify that any promotional code gives a deposit bonus on once, guys. Remember this and be careful. After loading, we will see our login and password. Write it down and automatically get into the menu. In order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, if you have any question, then ask them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. Goodbye and good luck to all. Have fun.